here at 5 AM. I'm just leaving. Gotta go pick up the morning teas and coffees for me and the bakery boys. Morning, bud. Can I get a large tea, please?
A large tea?
A flat white.
Flat white.
And can I get like a sausage and egg roll? They normally come that small.
Yeah.
Alright. I don't ask for coffee normally. Just said flat white and he gave me that and I was like, is that for a fucking 5-year-old? Like, it's me from the future. That 5 AM start day, I knew I had loads of stuff to do that day, so I couldn't film. I didn't want to film. I just wanted to crack on and get the jobs done that I needed to get done. So I didn't film anything. I knew I wasn't going to film anything that day. It was already in my head that I wasn't going to be filming anything. Go away, I'm busy. But it was a good day. It was very productive. I got loads of stuff done. I got loads of woodworking done, loads of emails done. I had to do like a few client meetings. So it was just like 2 or 3 hours where I just stood around talking with people. Not very interesting to film, probably. But let me show you some of the woodworking that I did. Let's go and have a look. So that morning I made both of these side cabinets. So this one and this one, they go on each end of this piece. And they are, whoa, what just fell down there? Lollipop stick. They go there and there, and those are separate cabinets. And then the 4 doors in the middle, they'll swing open. These 2 concertina away this way, and these 2 concertina away this way. So 1 and 2, and they live there. And it's just an oak frame, which is mortise and tenon at the top, and then just a piece of ply. And then what I'm going to have to do on the outside of this is I'm going to skin this with another panel like this, like a shaker panel, because I didn't want to have a shaker panel on the inside because I want to be able to screw loads of really secure shelves in here. So we're going to have, I think it's going to be 3 or 4 shelves going up here. They need to be in there real tight. You see, it's not as easy to screw into this thinner material on the inside. You don't want to poke a screw through there, you know. The sink's all chopped out. We've got the skirt on around the bottom. This is just a loose piece. This is like this piece just acts as a stage. So when I deliver this piece of furniture, the stage will go in, and then I can bring this piece in, and that drops down into the stage. It just makes it easier to carry and maneuver it around. In an ideal world, I'd like to put these straight on top of the cabinet, but because my ceilings in here are so low, I can't do it. These only barely fit onto my workbenches. So I made this workbench with this being 1.2 meters in mind, so I can just fit a cabinet that's 1.2 meters tall on this lower workbench. There's no way for me to get that cabinet onto this piece of marble. No way. It's not really marble, it's like resin, but false marble, whatever. I've also put these frames into the back, and these 3 frames are removable, so the plumbers and the electricians can get in there and do what they need to do. It needed to be something really strong and secure that would keep everything in square, but also I couldn't just cover all these backs because there's loads of services that need to run into these cupboards. When I finished doing all of my work that day, I had to go and pick up Maya afterwards, and it was just like, thought it'd be funny to do this new little segment. I'm calling it, what should I call it? Maya's Minute, and she's going to take over the vlog for a minute. I don't know. This is a thing. It's a new bit. I don't know. It's happening. All right, let's go get Maya. Let's go pick her up from work. Maya's back from her swimming. How was that?
So it was a stress swim.
The stress swim. De-stressing or stress-inducing? De-stressing.
A little bit better.
Removing stress.
A little bit better.
Stress-inducing. Why was that?
Because I'm stressed.
But something was making you more stressed.
Because I only had my thoughts.
Oh. Well, that's not good. Anyway.
I feel better. A bit better.
Well done, mate. I've been awake since 5 a.m. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to get a shower. Because that's liquid sleep, innit? I've still got loads of stuff I still need to do today. So I'm going to have a shower. Hopefully that'll wake me up a little bit and then I can come back and finish. I'm doing more of this stuff today. More of these kitchen drawing design pricey jobs. Let's go! Showers really do make all of the difference. I think I could probably sleep just off of showers alone. After I had my shower, Maya did some cooking and I took her dinner back to the office, finished doing my edit and a bit more work on the kitchen designs that I've been doing lately. And then she crocheted till she fell asleep. Did you?
Yeah.
She fell asleep crocheting. And that's the end of that day. Maya kind of took over with the vlog a little bit on that one because I was busy. I think we're going to do this more often. I want her to be part of the vlog more. There she is. Look. Hi.
Hi.
You look nice.
Don't look down. I'm not wearing trousers.